Hey guys, so today I'm be showing you how to use the contest mode on your the Xtreme Magic Sing right here. So of course turn it on first. Oh, let me just make sure if I have the volume or not. Okay, there you go. Turn it on first. I'm not gonna actually sing in this video since I'm a bit sick right now, so I have the handbook here. So the Magic Sing Xtreme one here. So yeah, it might be. I've zoomed it in. I zoomed it in since I displayed my camera, aka my iPad. That like a bit weird. So hi. So you got the modes here. So it would usually take like a minute because of how old it is. So let's go to not quiz or do not oh. So that's different. And press 5 or the green button. Then you press play. Yeah, I'll play the music. Yeah, so there's like no music. So 3197. See that? Okay. There we go. Yeah, these take so long, bro. It would have the sound, but I put the volume down, so. I'm basically skipping all of these, so. 1, 2, 9, 5. No. So yeah, there would be a sound, but I put all the whole volume down. Put the volume down for a second. Right here. There. Okay. Yeah, I just don't want to hear the music. Put it back on when it's when you get the. Yes, I don't want to get copyrighted. That's the thing. I'll put the music. So no.
Michael, that's too loud enough.
It's just the music. That's how the music goes. So yeah, that was pretty much the whole contest right there. And yeah, then when you type in the number, that's this other song. So yeah, that was pretty much it. Thank you for watching. If you like and subscribe. That was I was just showing how the contest works. How contest mode works. So yeah, just random. So it's gonna be 6 songs in total. It's gonna use. So yeah, for watching, guys. Bye.